What happened during this activity in English or in Turkish?
In Turkish, just.
We came here to say something in English or Turkish.
Wait, I have to learn. I need my paper.
Yes. Our subject is gender-based violence now, but we couldn't prepare what we are going to say today. Yes, you can get. Yes. My Karagöz'üm, what do you do now? Yes, we came here in Bulgaria to show. This is the shadow program. That's all. Oh, Karagöz, what are you doing? Oh, what happened? Yes, my son doesn't listen to me. He always want to give him so much money, pocket money. But he couldn't enter university examination. He couldn't go into university. What will happen? Oh, Kaagoz, don't be afraid. Yes, you must be patient. You have to give pocket money to him. Yes, you are a rich man. Yes. Now what are we going to do? Yes, love doesn't hurt. You have to show your respectful. You have to show your love to everybody. Yes, it's very good. After this time, we must do this kind of activities. I want to change my behavior. Karagöz'üm. Thanks a lot. Yes, everybody. Good night. Good day, everybody. See you next time. Bye.